Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yep, we got the March ammo score going on. It finally got here, guys. I'm kind of coming to you sitting beside the camera today because it's raining, muddy out, so I can't get out and get my little filming spot. I need to build me a studio for this stuff, is what I'm planning on doing, hopefully this summer. But anyways, we're going to do a little unboxing here, just on the back porch chilling. A little cold out today, but we can handle it. Got the old Glock 23 out here. And you'll see why we got this out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Get this little unboxed. I had quite a few of you guys asking me where was the ammo score this month, and I've just been sitting here waiting on it to get here. I ordered it back on the first. Yeah, it was the first one. I ordered it in UPS. They're kind of slow, so it just got here last night. I'm gonna do a little talking about these too after I open this up here. Some interesting, good screwdrivers here I thought I'd tell you guys about, if you don't already know about them. But let's get to it, guys. We got the old Emerson CQC7 out. As always, got a pretty good little deal on this ammo right here. I don't even see, is that a, yes, that's a, I don't know, that's kind of weird here. Oh, okay, I thought it was all one piece across there. Thought we had all one piece of cardboard across the top there for a second. We got some Remington 40 Smith & Wesson. We got 650 rounds. Target Sports USA had this on sale. I got this box of ammo here for it's $139, and there was a couple of bucks of insurance, I think, so it was $141 for this score right here. Heavy little sucker, I'll tell you that. This 40 Smith & Wesson gets a little heavy. It's kind of why I don't, it's a good carry around, but a little heavy for EDC in my opinion. So let's open her up here. This is bulk pack, so it'll be all in one bag. Should be anyway. First time I've ever bought any of this in bulk. And glue their boxes together. Look at that beautiful ammo. Is that not cool or what? I tell you, I get a buzz buying ammo. Maybe I'm a little sick, but for the old 23 here, I just got that back there at the end of last year. Yeah, there we are, guys. 650 rounds, 180 grain 40 Smith & Wesson, Remington, UMC. There's your head stamp. Looks like they got the brass jacket on there. Pretty cool stuff. 180 grains. I love ammo. Ammo is cool. Worth its weight in gold. Especially with the stuff we got coming up in the next year or so. I'm telling you guys, if you're not buying ammo and you're into firearms, you better be getting some, because I'm sure there's going to be plenty of supply, but then you got to deal with the prices going up. Supply and demand. So they've already got the gun control passing in Congress, which we don't expect it to go anywhere, but you never know. So if you're into this stuff, guys, you better buy you a little bit. I'm not trying to create panic buying or anything, because I don't really believe in that. I'm trying to, as my I've said before, I buy against the trends. So when everybody starts panic buying, that's when I sit back and chill and say, I done got my stuff. So I've done been through this, you know, back in 2013. I've done lived through that. That was right when I really started getting into guns and stuff. I've always kind of been into them, but I didn't know much about them. It's kind of kept me away from them. But that's when I started doing a lot of, you know, research and stuff, and, you know, figuring out stuff. That's when I really got into them. But anyways, other than that, let's show you these screwdrivers that are going on. These are Grace screwdrivers, and these are hollow grind. And if you don't know what I'm talking about there, I'm going to show you. I've got some of my other screwdrivers stuck in here. This is my screwdrivers I used to use here. I've got a little custom Craftsman here. That's an old screwdriver right there, but here's a newer one. I brought these out here, or one of these out here, to show you the difference. A hollow grind. I am dropping everything. These are actually, this little set right here is actually made for a Colt single action army, but it works on my Smith & Wesson's perfect. So let's show you what we got going on here. Of course, they make all different kinds of these. If you don't know anything about these Grace screwdrivers, they make whole sets of them. They're pretty good screwdrivers. You know, they're not go out here and work on your car with and pry around on. I wouldn't do that with them, but these are hollow grind. And what I'm meaning by hollow grind, this is what you want when you're working on your Smith & Wesson revolvers and other firearms, rifles, whatever. Is a hollow grind. You see that it actually fits down in your flathead screw. It kind of looks like it's like a wedge, but it's not. You can kind of see it right there. See that little line in there? They actually fit down in your screw heads. Now, this is a regular screwdriver here, kind of a do-it-all screwdriver. See how it's a wedge? It kind of wedges down like that. But these hollow grinds are like that. It's just the first little beginning of the tip there, but just enough to get down in the screw. I think you can see it right there. These other ones may show it a little better. There, you can see there. They fit down in the screws perfect. They fit every one of my my J frames and my K frame Smiths, especially this one right here. This one right here fits those side plate screws perfect. But yeah, this is the screwdrivers you want. This will keep you from burring up your flathead screws. Get a burr on the screw slots. You know, when you rub your finger over it, you feel a rough spot. This will stop that. So very good screwdrivers here. And there's these got a different number on them because they're for that Colt single action. But you can look them up, Grace screwdrivers, if you're interested in them. You'll see they make all kinds of stuff. I plan on getting some more, but I've been wanting to get some of these, and I got these on eBay for 24 bucks for this little 3-set. They make special ones for like the Marlin, one of the Marlin lever guns. They make, you know, a couple of sets that are specifically for those guns, but you can just buy, they make little 5-piece sets. Just depends on what you got and what sizes you need. See, we got the wide one there. That wide one really comes in handy. Works on my SKS is really good. But that's what I want to say there with this little gray screwdrivers there. If you hadn't seen them, didn't know anything about them. And see, I've got a custom. This is one I made myself there. That kind of shows what I'm talking about better right there. You can see how it's not that wedge. I just took a file to the end of this one. There it is. You can kind of see it there. How I cut that wedge out of it. And I put some wire shrink over that right there. Don't scratch anything up. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap this ammo score up. March ammo score. The old Glock 23. I need to do a video on this. Got the frying pan finish on it, the old school finish. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Getting good weather here in Tennessee. We're gonna be going to the range, so we'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, Billy, over and out of here, guys. Peace.